talk a lot about pronouns. When you watch English movies or when you listen to somebody speaking English language, you might have heard words like he, she, it, you, we, they, etc. in their sentences. Now, what are these words? Of course, they are pronouns. But if you are really going to dig deep into pronouns, you will find that there are various types of pronouns. Certain types of pronouns closely relate to one another, and many words can function as multiple different types of pronouns depending how they are used in a sentence. So it is very important to understand this topic, pronoun. And we also need to understand the various types of pronouns. And that is why this topic plays very important role as a part of speech. So let's get into detail and find out what is the definition of a pronoun. Now, if we look at the traditional definition, we can say that a word used in place of noun or a noun phrase in a sentence is called a pronoun. Now, one question arises here that when we already had nouns, what was the requirement of introducing pronouns? To understand the answer to this question, look at the sentences displayed on the screen. Olivia lives with Jennifer. Olivia likes working with Jennifer. Olivia and Jennifer do many projects together. So, what did you notice here? You noticed that the names Olivia and Jennifer are being repeated again and again, which sounds tedious and boring. So, to avoid this repetition of names, grammarian decided to replace these names, or you can say nouns, with other words called pronouns and made it easy for us to have effective communication. Now we can easily say Olivia lives with Jennifer. She likes working with her. They do many projects together. Sounds better now? Yes. So, words like I, you, we, they, he, she, it are called pronouns because they are used in place of nouns. I hope now you have understood what is a pronoun. Let's look at some more examples for better understanding. He works with her. Here, he and her. These words have been used in place of names. Here we can write Harry, and here we can write Jennifer. We need to understand he is used for male and her is used for female. That reminds me of something in this sentence. Again, we have two pronouns. That here, this word, it can be anything. It can be a person, it can be a situation, anything. And as I'm not taking my name here and I'm referring myself as me, that is why I have replaced my name with the word me. And me is playing the role of a pronoun. Similarly, she looked at them. Here, I have not mentioned the name of a girl. I have simply mentioned she in place of that name. And I have not mentioned the names of different people I'm talking about. And that is why this word is also playing the role of a pronoun. Take it or leave it. Here, it is referring to an object. I am not talking about that object. I am not referring to the name of the object, and that is why I generally say take it or leave it. Who is your friend? Here the word who is used for a person. Similarly, I am not taking the name of the listener and I have used the word your. And this is how these two words are playing the role of a pronoun. Similarly, someone broke the vase. When we say someone, it may be your naughty brother, I'm not taking the name of that person because I'm not sure about it. And that is why this word is also playing the role of a pronoun here. So I hope now you have understood how these words I, you, we, they, he, she, it, each, someone, who play the role of pronouns. Now let's have a look at their types. As I already mentioned that the types of pronouns depend how they are used in a sentence. And types of pronouns include personal pronoun, demonstrative pronouns, reflexive pronoun, emphatic pronouns, indefinite pronouns, interrogative pronouns, relative pronouns, and reciprocal pronouns. I have not added possessive pronouns here. Most of the people, they consider possessive pronouns separately. But why I have not included it separately? Because it is the part of personal pronoun. When we will be getting into detail of all these pronouns, you will find that possessive pronoun is the part of personal pronoun. So I hope now you have understood what is a pronoun, and you have also understood various types of pronouns. We are going to get into detail.